Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Navratri collection. So there have been multiple years that I've been collecting these pieces every year. So I only buy one chaniya choli like every year so that I get to have like new designs and new styles like every year. So that is why I am making this video, because every year we have like accumulated so many things. These are from different places. Now most of the times the shopping that we do for Navratri is usually from Ahmedabad, because we do get a lot of variety and a lot of new fashion trends of Navratri in Gujarat, because obviously it's a staple. It's our main hub, and new trends we can find over there only. You can find new trends in Vadodara, you can find it in Surat, you can find it in Ahmedabad, you can even find it in Kutch, but Kutch is too far, which is why we visit Ahmedabad and Vadodara and Surat. But most of the times that I've bought is from Ahmedabad only, so which is why I thought that I'll show you what all pieces I have accumulated through these years. And yeah, let's just get started. So starting from a few years back, and the first piece that we bought from Navratri. Now this piece we have actually not visited during Ahmedabad and during Navratri times, where my mom, my masi and my cousin sister, they actually visited in off season, and which is why we got it at like a very low price, and it is a full set over here. And I'll just show you that it is like full heavy pieces. I think this piece that we have bought, me and my sister, we bought the same piece, but this piece after that I haven't seen it anywhere. It's so heavy and it's so good. So this is the blouse basically, and if you could see, the fabric is also good, and this has like been like almost 4 to 5 years, or I think 3 to 4 years that I've bought this, and it's still that intact, and I love this. The only thing is that we sometimes what my mom does, she like elevates the pieces by putting all these beads and everything. So this doesn't come, this only comes without these, but these beads and everything is made by my mom, and she elevates such pieces like in her style. And now comes the choli. So the choli also looks very very good. It is something like this, and it's so heavy, and when you wear it, it just looks amazing and it looks fabulous. And during night times it shines so brightly, it looks so heavy. Like if you see the work over here, it's not printed, it's all heavy work done, like embroidery and everything is done on this. And even the these mirrors are like stuck over here, and if you see, every patch has a different design and embroidery done. So these are not at all like you can say printed. So there is not even one this thing which is printed. So every patch over here is basically handmade, and we got it for only 1500. And this piece, I think if you see now, you will get similar like designs, but this exact piece you won't get anywhere, because even we haven't found it, neither over here in Borivali or neither in Ahmedabad, Vadodara, anywhere we haven't seen such pieces made twice. So this is the one unique piece, and absolutely love wearing the ghagra of this one. Even though the flare is not that much, but when you wear it, it's so heavy, and it actually shows that flare, because the work done is very very heavy over here, and which is why it stays intact also, and it doesn't make you feel very very heavy while dancing or doing garba. So it absolutely, I love this one. And this also has a dupatta, and the dupatta also has one patch at the bottom, which you can wear whenever you are doing like a Gujarati style dupatta. At that time this patch really comes handy, and it looks very very good. So this is the patch, and this is only on the one side of the dupatta, so that whenever you wear it in the Gujarati style, it looks amazing. So this is that one piece. And the fabric of the dupatta is also very shiny. If you see, It's not normal cotton or georgette or anything. The material is a slight different and a bit shiny, so it gives that festive vibe all over. And also on the sides, if you see, there is a lot of lace. There's a lace detailing over here. So yeah, I absolutely love how this dupatta looks like. You can right now also see how shining it looks even in the sunlight. So at night it just looks amazing, and I like this one very much. So moving on to the next one, we got this one for 1500. I remember it very very well because this was the price that I think if right now this particular piece was sold, they would quote definitely like 4,000, 5,000, and then come back to like 3,000 and not less than that, because everything is like hand embroidered, and which is why I think they will charge that much right now. But we got it only for 1500 from Ahmedabad Law Garden. Moving on to the next one. Now after we bought this one on one of the years, in the next year we again visited Ahmedabad. There was not chanya choli and all of that, but then later in that year, this trend of dupatta, which has all this like kachi embroidery and prints coming in, so we already bought it in summer during that time. So that is what piece is this one. I think now the trend has become a very very like low on this kind of dupattas, but yes, obviously everyone wears it, and these are cotton pieces and it is all embroidered. Only the lace side and some things are only printed over here. So only this few things are printed, like this one is printed, and the rest things are actually like woven, or you can say embroidered over here. And there are a few like plastic mirrors that come in, and that makes this dupatta very very light, but also gives you that shine of the mirror. So that kind of work is done on this one, and I got it for like only 100 rupees over there, because obviously it was not season and not Navratri season, and we went in the summer season, and it was like some lane wherein we bought it. So I don't exactly remember, but it was the place called Dhalgarwad. I don't know how to like say it, but yeah, this is how it looks, and I think this comes in quite handy if you are going on a blue day. I think this is what I'll wear on a blue day with some black chanya choli, or you can say with some black dhoti style or t-shirt or jeans and all of that. So you can wear it and style it like in multiple different ways if you have these kind of dupattas in handy. And I absolutely love it. The fabric is so soft, and it feels very very good. So I love this fabric because it's cotton, I think pure cotton, and which is why and it has like stayed very very intact. Like I haven't maintained this one that much like I maintain other like Navratri items of mine. I keep it just anywhere, but still it has remained that intact. So I think 100 rupees and the quality is just really good. So this is one thing that I've bought. And I think everyone might be having such dupattas because it's quite in trend still, even after so many years, because it's just gives that traditional look to any outfit that you wear. So this is one such outfit, and I think 100 is like too less for such kind of quality, which I think we don't get. And right now when I see certain dupattas and that which are being sold right now, the quality is also not that good, and they quote the price of like 1800, 1000, and not even less than to like 500, and I've got it just for 100. So I think it's a very very best purchase as such. And like, so that was it for this one. Now moving on to the next one. So now coming on to the most heaviest piece that I've bought for Navratri, and that was last year that when we visited Law Garden in Ahmedabad, and I found a lot of pieces at that time. I think still I see when I see the videos of Law Garden, still I think those pieces are still hanging there. But this one piece that I've bought, I think no one has ever bought it, and I still don't see anywhere these kind of like items. So first I'll just show you the blouse of it, And this is the color, basically green. This is how it is. It is a very basic like a blouse. Now the blouse is not giving that kind of a look, and it is just normal, as I saw as I have shown you in the earlier blouse. The lace and everything, they just stick this dori over here. And my mom has also not elevated this that much because the ghagra is so heavy that the blouse won't come into like your eyes, because the ghagra is like so breathtaking and so good. So this is just normal, but the embroidery is done on everything, so it is not printed at all. Everything is like embroidered, and there is lace and everything. There is another lace detailing over here. This is multicolor lace printed, not printed, this is detailing over here. So this is the kind of blouse that this one has. But when I show you the ghagra, I think everyone will fall in love with that one, because I absolutely love it. And it's quite heavy, because it is like in 3 layers, if you can say. Not 3 layers, I think 3 layers actually. So it is heavy, but it gives so natural traditional look. I absolutely love this one. And it is this. So it has different colors. This is the first layer, wherein it is only like this much, and it has cute dolls all over it. So this is one doll, then there is this men doll, then again there is a woman doll wearing chaniya choli, then again there is a man doll, and like that they have like entire in the ghagra till the half. So they have given this design over here, so till here until here they have given like half design over here. So this is quite heavy. If you see, they have put this thing over here, so this is quite heavy. Then there is this second layer which matches with the blouse itself. So the design that you see in the blouse is the same as this one. So everything is like hand embroidered, there is no printing. So everything is like embroidered over here. The mirrors and everything is stuck, and the thing, everything, this all of this is been like embroidered. So this is the second layer, and there is this plain third layer over here, which is a like a ghagra, entire ghagra. And from the side, if you see, it looks like this. From the side they have given this pattern of open, and you can see entire this thing. And if you see the entire ghagra, this is how it looks. I'll just show you. And I absolutely love the ghair that it has. And while dancing also, I love this ghagra so much. The color and everything is so good. I haven't worn like green and blue and all of these kind of colors, but I think when I saw this one, it was quite heavy. And I think in the entire lane of Law Garden, I haven't seen this piece, and this was only one piece that I saw, and I instantly liked it. Though at the start I was very like skeptical about it, that whether it would look good or not, but then eventually it did look good. And this is the one unique piece that I've bought, and this looks perfect. I just absolutely love the ghair. This is very good. The ghair is absolutely stunning, and I absolutely love it. I'll pin a photo of it if I have it over here in the screen, and you'll see like how it. We got it at like 1500. Like such heavy piece, I don't think that we do get at 1500. But yeah, we got it at 1500, and I think it's the perfect price. So like very low price, even if you see, like getting such heavy piece in such a low price, because there's a lot of like detailing done. And I don't think this much detailing can be bought at like 1500. It's too low, but I'm quite happy. Even the last thing that I want to show is the dupatta. Even the dupatta is like amazing. My mom loves this dupatta especially. The one that I've shown earlier has a different kind of material. This has a very like thick material, thick blue material, and it has all over lace detailing just like this. And at the end of both, it has both the ends have the this patch, so it looks just amazing. And even though there is, so anything that you see on this one is like all hand embroidered, it's not printed, nothing is printed on this particular um, chanya choli. I absolutely love it. Moving on to the next one. Moving on to the next one. Now, when we went to buy this particular blue this green blue chanya choli, at that time itself, the next day we went again and we bought white. I wanted to have a plain white, or entire white chanya choli for me, and luckily I found this blouse. Now please ignore how the fabric is right now, I haven't ironed it, but yeah, this is how it actually looks. It is a half sleeve, 3/4 sleeve kind of, and it comes with these humtas, you can say, and it looks amazing. I think the plain blouse that I wanted is what, and it has like a V kind of a neck, and it looks good. I think we bought this at like 200, 300. I don't really remember the price. I'll ask my mom if she remembers. I'll mention the correct price over here on the screen. And for the same blouse, now these are not from the inside stalls, these are from the outside, like vendors who sit on the floor, like on the road, with a lot of layovers. Like over there they have a lot of pieces just here and there, and you just have to find a perfect piece for yourself. So this is how I found this plain white blouse. And for the same, and then from the next vendor I bought this plain white ghagra. So this has a very good flare. It has like a 8-9 meter flare, I guess. Yeah, 7-8 meter. But yeah, while dancing the flare looks so perfect. And also this has a like silver lining over here, so they have also given this detailing, like silver lace over here. So this is actually, we got it for like 400. And the same year I think that Pakistani dupattas had come in trend, which is why we had to buy it. So we bought this one also for 400, and I absolutely love how multicolored design it is, and perfectly good. And everything is like printed, but all over it they have done like little detailing like this of the silver lining, the lace over here, then mirrors. Baki rest is like everything is printed, but this gives a very good look if you see, and I absolutely love it. So this goes with my white this thing outfit. So entire chanya choli that I have created over here is for like ghagra is for like 400, blouses for like 200, 600 and 400. So 1000, 1100 something around that we have made this entire piece. So that is one thing. Moving on to the next one, headgear. Okay, we say topi. So the topi that we bought, so it is this one. So I found one uncle selling it on a cart, and he quoted like 200 something like that. But later on when we moved in the same lane ahead, he wasn't like, the cart uncle wasn't giving it for lesser than 150. So my mom was like, no, we can't give 150 for this thing. So I was very disappointed at that time. But then in further lane, when it was evening time, I think it is around like closing time, and after that people like don't sell it for so much. So in between of all the like chanya choli stalls, there's also one hat, like cap and everything stall, and there we found this particular one. And over there we just got it for like 100 rupees, and I was like very happy because I got this eventually. And I absolutely love how this looks, and it gives so traditional look kind of a thing, and I absolutely love it. Because even if you are not wearing anything, like you are wearing plain jeans and plain black top, and over this, if you are just wearing this one, it just elevates your look and makes it look more traditional. Over this, a koti, which is traditional. So this looks very good, and this is how it looks. I absolutely love this style. So which is why I wanted like a hat. So catching up on the trends, which is why I bought this. So I absolutely love it. So days when I don't feel like wearing anything heavy, or days when I just want to just go, or even if I'm late from work and I don't get time to get ready, I think this will just work the best. So this is one thing that I've got from there, and this is for like 100 rupees, as I said earlier. Moving on to this year's shopping, I just keep on wearing this looks like amazing. So moving on to this year's shopping, so this year as I said that I wanted one white, one black, plain, all of that. So this year luckily we didn't visit Ahmedabad, but we got it from Borivali. And everything that we saw was like everything that we have seen already in Ahmedabad last to last year. So the pieces there were very very like old, and which is why we didn't thought like even when I went over there, I went with zero expectation of getting anything. I thought that this year I'm not going to buy anything because I don't see any new pieces over there. But luckily I found this one good piece which is in black, like all black, and it gives like Ramleela look over here, and which is why I bought it. So coming on to the blouse first, I wanted a full sleeve blouse. Me and my sister had decided this time that we want a full sleeve blouse once. So both of us have bought. So her chaniya choli is quite different, the color and everything, and mine is different. So I'll just link her channel over here. If she makes such video on like Navratri collection or anything, then you will be able to see it in her vlog, that what kind of chaniya choli, because hers is like in trend, the kodi and everything that is there. So that is also like very good, and this one is also like very good that I have. So we wanted a blouse which has full sleeve, and I absolutely love the chicken curry work that is done all over, and the plastic mirrors that they have put. The look comes very very different, and I absolutely love this look. Can you see? Yeah, it looks amazing, and there is a like mirror detailing all over. So the blouse is like very very heavy already. So even if I'm wearing like a plain black jeans or dhoti, and above that even if I'm wearing this blouse, I can like multi wear it like multiple times. Sorry, I can like wear it multiple times with here and there, like styling it in a different ways. So I absolutely love the blouse. Even the ghagra is so heavy, and the flare is so good. I just can't explain it to you, and I absolutely love it. This is how it looks. So I love the flare of it. I think the other chaniya cholis that I have, this is the most flare, the chaniya choli that I have bought this time. The flare might be like around 9-10 meters or 10-12 meters. I don't think it is 12 meters, it is like 9 meters I think. So it is that much flare, and below also there is. So it is like a monotone look. I think the trend right now goes for a monotone look, which is why I wanted like entire black one with the same design. And you can like style it in different ways on this. Even if like I wear a tank top, and over that I wear something like some jewelry, heavy jewelry, and some koti and all of that, I can style it in multiple ways. Like everything can be styled in a multiple way if you are like wearing traditional, because at night when you play with the all black outfit and with the mirrors all over, it just looks fab. So which is why I bought this, and the dupatta quality is just amazing. The entire dupatta also has this particular design. So entire chaniya choli has this monotonous design, and she was quoting a price of like 3,200, but my mom bargained and like made it to like 2,000, and coming like 1,200 rupees down is like something else only. I was very very happy. I know that they quote like higher only so that you can like bargain, and not everyone is good at bargaining, but my mom bought it for like 2,000, and I was quite happy because the quality is just amazing. So this is one such piece. Moving on to the last piece, which is a koti. Now this I've bought like a few years back only. This was just for 250, and I wanted one because I didn't have one. So this is like entirely embroidered piece, and I absolutely love it. So this is the one that I like This is the koti, so it can be styled in multiple ways. As I said earlier, I had this thing. Also, my mom made some handmade pieces at home. So we went to, I don't know, Natraj market, Malad market, somewhere, and we bought these kind of laces and some, material, these shell material over there, from there. And my mom made a belt for me. Now if you see, there are a lot of belt trend going on right now for chaniya choli, and I wanted to buy one, but last year when we went over there in Ahmedabad Law Garden, they were quoting a price of like 900,000 for just a piece of cloth, and which is already like a lace and only just a few things like added over there. So I told my mom that even you can make this, and my mom made and gave it to me. So we bought this as raw material, we stuck it together, and this is how it looks. It's like a belt over here, so when I wear it I'll show you. I think if you're following me on Instagram, you might be knowing. And one of my kurtis also had this one patch, like lace patch over here, so my mom has done all over detailing on that too, so I can like wear it with anything. So there are two cloth belts that I have like recycled, made it at home itself. And so that was it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys liked it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.